Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can reverse an audio on Filmora. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to add this audio to the timeline. Okay, and before I reverse the audio, I'm going to show you the original audio.
Climate change is one of the most pressing issues of our time, driven by human.
Okay, this is for the original audio, and then I'm going to click on this audio, and then we can select the speed option. And if you want to reverse your audio, you can activate the reverse speed. Okay, now this feature has been activated, and I'm going to play it. Okay. Okay, now it's done guys, and it's time to export the audio. You can export the audio with MP3 format. Actually, just go to the format and you can choose the format that you like. Okay, and for me, I'm just going to choose MP3. Okay, and then just click on export to export your audio. Okay guys, and that's all the way to reverse audio on Filmora. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.